Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning NFC on so the phone can exchange data. This is non-negotiable. Go to Settings, More Connections, toggle NFC on, then set your default tap and pay app so payments work. Once done, make sure any bulky or metal case is removed and the screen is unlocked. Physical alignment matters because the P30 Pro's NFC coil sits near the camera area. You're now ready to place the phone against a reader or tag for the next steps. Don't skip setting the payment app. Next, configure what NFC does. Choose your payment app as the default tap and pay handler so terminals use your preferred card. For file sharing, enable Huawei Share or open an NFC tag writing app and select the data to send. Android Beam is deprecated, so rely on app-level sharing. When you tap another phone or reader, align the upper back areas together. Hold steady for a second or two until you see the confirmation. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct is enabled if the transfer falls back to those channels. Finally, test the setup. Tap a contactless terminal or another NFC phone and confirm the payment or file transfer completes. Once satisfied, you can leave NFC on for convenience or turn it off to save battery and avoid accidental taps. If something fails, try rebooting the phone, toggling NFC off and on, removing any case, and clearing the payment or sharing app cache. Also ensure your card is added and verified in the wallet app. These steps fix most common NFC problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.